I always knew I was going to end up in marketing. I kind of understood that actually I am A, good at marketing, and B, I actually really enjoy it, and so like I say, I always kind of gravitated back towards it. I work within the central marketing team here at Mitchells and Butlers. Mitchells and Butlers are one of the largest hospitality organisations within the industry. We're probably the most well known for brands such as Toby Carvery, Harvester, Miller and Carter, all bar one. We support within all of the marketing aspects for remodels, conversions, acquisitions and growth projects. So I didn't come directly into MAB from an entry-level position. I actually started as an undergrad within media and promotions, and I did my professional placement with BCU. It gave me the opportunity to apply the framework and the things that I was learning in my assignments to actually the projects and the brands here at MAB. So it was a really, really good opportunity for me to learn. Advice for students that perhaps are looking to follow a similar path to me is, as cliche as it sounds, I would just say start, apply, use every interview, whether you get it or not, as a learning experience. Taking criticism is really, really hard, but it makes you better in the long term.